Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, The Andersons. I'm Nat.
And Dems.
So tonight we're going to do
a food test. So we've been seeing this thing on the internet where persons try different food and we say, hey, you know what, let's give it a try. So tonight we'll be trying Nigerian food for the first time.
Yeah.
Well, are you excited?
Excited. Yeah, I think so.
So with Nigerian food, we have never had it before. So we say, you know what, let's give it a try. Hopefully we are still around after this video in terms of we are not, I'm not going to say we're going to be sick or anything, but in terms of hopefully we enjoy it and hopefully we will try it again.
Yeah, definitely.
Because we're used to our Jamaican cuisine.
And our palates are used to our food. We don't normally taste other culture or other person's food, so hopefully
this is definitely an adventure for us. So if it's the first time you're watching one of our videos, guys, please subscribe, like, share, and absolutely leave a comment. Yeah, we love you guys. For the persons who have been subscribing so far, we really appreciate
Thank
you guys. It really helps us out. Smash a like on this video and share it to a friend and comment and tell us what is your favorite Nigerian dish.
So we're gonna start. Come.
So we went to this restaurant. We didn't know what to get, guys. So we just went in and we were like, we want some authentic Nigerian food. And this is what she managed to come up with. So yeah, babes, give that a warm up like that, babes. So this is Aang Soup.
Open. I can't open it.
It's made of Aang leaf with goat meat and fish bites.
Open.
Smells fishy. Smells like kalaloo.
It's like smells like kalaloo. It looks like kalaloo. Oh.
Well, I'm not saying nothing still, but
I don't really like the smell of it. That's the first thing. So
hopefully it tastes better than it looks. We're just gonna be putting this in one of our homemade, not homemade, but one of our home dishes. Alright. So the Aang or the Aang soup is usually ate with pounded yam. So that's what it goes with. And we also have pounded yam. Are you able to see?
I don't want to smell. I don't think you have smell. It's gonna smell anyway. So pounded yam. It looks like flour. Needed flour.
So you kind of just.
I'm gonna leave it in the container.
You're gonna leave it in the container?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think I need to put it in anything. No, I'm gonna put it on my face.
No, we're gonna put the Jello Rice in that.
In mine?
Yeah. So
okay.
yeah, just throw it in that mix.
I don't really like that smell.
And then now we have something that I've always wanted to try. Jello Rice.
Yes.
Oh my god, I've been hearing about Jello Rice since we have been here, and I'm telling you, like, this is the first time we're gonna be trying Jello Rice. And the Jello Rice is served with grilled chicken. So the lady in the restaurant said that Jello Rice can be eaten with any dry meat. So any form of
wet meat, because persons here like dry meat, so they try to cater to persons here, but it's normal with wet meat.
Okay, so this is the Jello Rice, and I think chicken is just chicken anyway you look at it. Let's see.
It looks like white and brown rice too.
Kind of like seasoned rice. Alright.
So, okay.
What are we gonna go do first?
I think I know it is the pounded yam with the, what's its name again?
It's called the Aang Soup.
Aang soup.
And again, the Aang Soup is just a type of vegetable, I think. It's called the African Aang leaf with fish bites and goat meat. Okay. Let's go. I'll let her go first.
As I said, I don't like the smell of it, but here it goes. I think you pull it up.
I don't know, because I guess you just take it off anyway, it comes off. And...
I don't know. I always see persons in African show pulling things apart. I'm not sure. I think we should have
you're
Alright.
so
I know.
you dip and you taste.
It's spicy.
It's spicy. Let me try.
It is spicy. But it doesn't taste as how it smells.
Tastes good?
It doesn't have a
Cheers.
it does have a spicy, I don't know. It doesn't have much seasoning to it. It just flat. But it's just spicy. I don't know.
This doesn't taste as how it looks, guys.
Or smell.
I'm telling you. Oh my god.
Good.
I did not expect this. I would actually eat this. I'm gonna go again. I'm not a huge fan of the pounded yam, to be honest. The pounded yam kind of
It doesn't have much seasoning for me. It's just spicy. Just taste the pepper in it and that's it.
I think this by itself is very good. But I think with the pounded yam, it kind of makes it a little bit flat. Like, I think the pounded yam, if it is that, it's probably too fresh. Probably if I put a little bit of salt on the yam, it probably tastes a little bit better to me. But it just kind of have a...
It doesn't have a taste. Don't have any salt in it. It's just pounded yam. No, this one you can have. I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good with that.
Let's give the jollof rice a try. Again, this is something that I've always wanted to try. This is something that I've always wanted to try for the longest while. Let's give it a... we should have cheers, babes.
Cheers. My honest opinion on it is I don't really like it. What I expected was like really seasoned rice, close to Jamaican seasoned rice, because that's how it was described to me, so I was expecting that.
Well, one of the first things you can't do when you're tasting other food is have an expectation.
Yeah,
you have to judge based on what it is. And based on what this is, I really like it. It's not Jamaican food for sure, but by itself, I think it is. Well, how would I explain? How would I say it tastes? It is definitely something that I will have again, per se. But it's not my favorite. It's not the best thing I've ever tasted, right? But I'm gonna like eat off all of this, so that means it's not that bad.
I eat the plantains for you. You cannot have that. Alright, I'm gonna try this. The soup.
As I said, the A1 soup is very good, but I think for the pounded yam, it's just not my favorite because
it doesn't have a taste.
The pounded yam is a little bit fresh to me. Like, it's just fresh. It doesn't have a distinct taste. But with this is so spicy that I'll probably just have some of this with the...
Can I have all the plantains? You want some?
I'm going to try the plantain.
Plantain is plantain.
One fun fact that I learned about Nigeria is that Nigerians generally cook with a lot of spice, which is similar to Jamaica in terms of we try to cook with as much spice as you can take. So that is something that Nigeria and Jamaica have in common, which is why I'm enjoying this so much, because it's so spicy. But I just don't like the pounded yam, I'm being honest. But the jollof rice with this is like so delicious. And I'm gonna see what the chicken has in store.
Oh my god. Oh. That's what again, the beef? Can I have some of the juice? Because this
I think she said this should be beef or goat meat, but to be honest, I really don't know what it is.
Alright.
And it's a little bit chewy.
This is quite beef.
Like it's not cooked as soft as we would normally cook it. So it's very, very chewy.
It's beef and it's not really, yeah, it's not well cooked.
Well, this will definitely exercise your mouth.
And it's spicy. No, I'm finishing this.
Yeah. Let's give the chicken a try.
It's grilled chicken.
1 minute, guys. Let me just run and get a knife.
And I have dancing.
Okay. Let's give this chicken a try. So generally chicken is chicken anywhere you go, but the spices is what usually separates like the culture. The type of spices that is generally used on the chicken is what determines the culture pretty much. Like Jamaica is famous for jerk chicken. Let's see.
It's grilled chicken.
Again,
This
it
is
could have
grilled
been done with a little bit more spice. If we're using our palate, I think we, as Nat said before, we had expectations of it being a little bit spicier. It's a little bit flat, if we're being honest, and just because we heard that the cultures are so similar, so we were expecting that level of spice. But I'm not gonna say it's the worst. It's definitely not the worst.
It's not the worst, but
it's just not as spicy and flavorful
yeah.
as you would have thought. Well, except this. This is so spicy.
Yeah. You want it? Can
There
I have
you
the
go.
rest?
Yes.
Thank you.
Well, I'm enjoying the Jello Rice. As I said, it's not the best rice I've had, but it's certainly not the worst.
It's not the worst. It's not the worst, but as I said, I put expectation on it, so it didn't turn out the way I expected.
Yeah, that's true. But when you're doing like food, you have to just judge it based on its own merit, not on what you expected.
The next thing about it is even the type of rice they use, because this seems like parboiled rice. So,
Probably. Okay,
I don't really like
so I'm gonna
parboiled rice.
exercise my mouth again with this beef. This is so chewy.
I'm planting. I'm sorry. It's just a planting. Well, he's
Oh my
enjoying
God.
it.
This is so much chewing. Oh my God.
He's enjoying it.
I really can't recall when last I've had something that I had to chew so much.
Oh,
Okay. I see her looking at this plantain, so there you go.
thank you.
I got one plantain out of a dozen.
There's more.
I'm a Nigerian family who's watching this video. Please comment and tell us what is the best Nigerian dish to try. Right? Certainly, this is not all Nigeria has to offer. We know that you guys have a lot of food to offer. We're just trying to learn the culture. I'm sorry I'm talking with my mouth full.
Mind your tongue. That bad man is to talk with food in the mouth.
Okay. Leave a comment and tell us what we should try. What are the dishes that we don't know about that you think is best for the culture, like persons who want to learn about Nigeria, what is the best dish for them to try? We heard about Jello Rice, we tried it. We heard about pounded yam, we tried it. We heard about Afang soup, we tried it. And well, I like the Jello Rice. The Afang soup is not that bad.
Not that bad.
It's so spicy and I like it. But the pounded yam, I'm sorry, but I'm not a fan of the pounded yam. It could take a little salt. It could use it a little bit of salt. But certainly there are other things that we don't know, right? So just drop a comment and let us know.
You're enjoying it. It's spinach, right? This is what she said was spinach. No. You dip it back in it and rub it.
To be honest, even if I wasn't enjoying it, I would still eat everything because it was so darn expensive.
So this was for like $16.
This was like 16 Canadian dollars. But look, it came with the chicken.
yeah.
And the pounded yam was like for probably like $25. And it comes
that was
with
so much?
yeah, because everything came to $37. And this came with that.
Yeah.
It's a good thing we didn't take the salad. Others who might not have been able to afford it. But the Afang soup is
was spicy.
If we're gonna grade it, how much would you give the Jello Rice? Without putting your expectation on it. Judge it as its own.
I would give it a 5. Yeah, honestly, 5.
I give the Jello Rice a 7. And I'm taking two things into consideration. I'm taking into consideration that probably it's where we got it from. It is not necessarily the best, as we wouldn't know. And secondly, it must have the ability to taste better than this. Because a lot of persons tell us about the Jello Rice.
It's like saying that it's one of the most
delicious Nigerian dish, right? We have a lot of friends, even Jamaican friends, who have adopted Nigerian culture, who get to taste Jello Rice. They are raving about Jello Rice, how good it is. So certainly it is better than this.
Yeah.
But this that I'm having now,
no.
I'll give it a 7. It's definitely not a fail, but I was expecting a 10 out of 10.
Yes, I was. How much you would give this soup? Because you were enjoying it, so how much would you give it? It's spicy on my hand, so I would give it like an 8.
The vegetable that the soup has is a vegetable that I am not familiar with.
Spinach?
It says African Afang leaf.
Oh, yeah.
Right? So I don't know what an African Afang or Afang leaf is, but apparently it's some form of vegetable.
And it tastes good.
But it tastes like kalaloo, that is a vegetable that we have in Jamaica. It's very similar. But and kalaloo also goes into soup. So it does have a little bit of familiar taste. The only issue that I have with this, and it's not an issue with the dish itself because probably that's how it's served, but the only issue that I have with it is the chewiness of the meat. Like, I'm used to not having enough to do so much work in order to have a piece of meat, right? Just a second. Jesus. I did meat.
Stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's beef.
You see what I mean?
It's beef. What do you expect? Okay. When you're done.
Yes. I'm used to not having enough to do so much work in order to have dinner. So, but as a grade, I'll give it I'll give it an 8 out of 10. What did you give it?
I hate. Yeah, 8 out of 10. Yeah.
Okay, that's fair.
Yeah.
As for the pounded yam, guys,
I think you need a little salt. Oh
I'm not a huge fan of the pounded yam.
I wouldn't eat that. I wouldn't.
To be honest, I think I was probably, how would I say? I think I was a little biased when it comes down to the pounded yam because I saw it on TV before and I automatically formed an opinion that I'm not gonna like it. So with that in my head, which is unfair, I think it manifested, but I won't want to say that's the reason why I'm not enjoying this. I just think it's flavorless.
Yeah, no.
Right? It's just flat. It's just like someone got some yam, stand on it, and pressed it out. No seasoning, no salt, no pepper, no anything. It's like you're needing some, for Jamaicans watching this video, it's like you need some dumpling and put a salt in a dumpling.
Flat. Flat. Yes. Nothing to it. No taste, nothing.
So you're just eating raw flour that
Nothing,
tastes horrible.
nothing.
That's how it tastes. It tastes like some form of dough.
It's a dough. As you can see, it's a dough, but it just don't have no taste.
It tastes like some form of
It just
dough,
don't
but
have no
it's
taste.
tasteless.
You can't even pinpoint say it's a yam or is it cassava or what. It just don't have no taste to it at all.
But I think there's a reason why I don't have any taste though, thinking
Right.
about it. I think because this is so spicy, you can't have something flavorful going with something flavorful.
But at least a little salt. Because this don't have much salt in it either, so it's just mostly pepper and barely taste any other seasoning to it.
Well, that's true.
So this, if you have put a little salt to the pounded yam, yeah.
Well, that's true. But in that, I said that like probably it's flat for a reason because this is like so spicy in terms of peppery, right? It's so peppery, so probably it's a I don't know. Nigerian people, you can correct me if we're wrong, but probably that's the reason behind it in terms of because this is so spicy. You get that to be flat so it can balance it out.
Maybe.
But
comment in the comment section because we'll really want to know.
yeah, we really want to know because we were expecting to give everything a 10 out of 10 if we're being honest. But unfortunately the ice point was 8 out of 10. And it's just because it's so peppery.
Yeah.
Again, the meat was so chewy. But vegetable is nice.
Yeah. Whatever leaf it's called.
The meat itself tastes nice.
But
It's seasoned, it's flavorful, but I just think it's too dry. It's just too chewy. And we're not used to that. And chicken is chicken.
Chicken is chicken.
Chicken is chicken.
I guess I'm not letting it waste. $16.
$16, guys. It's very hard to spoil chicken. If you spoil chicken, that's very hard. Okay.
That's it for me. I'm done.
Thank you guys for watching this video. My mouth is full.
Thank you guys for watching the video. Like, subscribe, comment. Give a thumbs up, yes.
Yeah, smash a like, absolutely. And just stay tuned, guys. We do awesome content on our channel. We are giving you guys 3 videos every week. In 2021, that's something that you guys can look forward to. Please don't just watch the video. Hit that subscribe button. Please, it really helps us out. We're trying to grow this channel. We're trying to grow this community. So far, it's been going okay. Thank you guys who have subscribed so far, who are our loyal supporters. We love you guys. We appreciate you guys. And ultimately, we cannot do this without you guys. So share this video with a Nigerian friend. Let them leave a comment. Tell us what kind of Nigerian food we should try. That would probably hopefully change our opinion on Nigerian food. Because now, the only thing we have is pounded yam, Aang Soup, Jello Rice, and grilled chicken, which is a little unfair. Yeah. So just leave a comment, let us know what to try, and we appreciate it. Until the next video, guys, have a good night.
See ya. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to
like,
share,
comment,
and
and subscribe. The Andersons.